How to delete Hotmail account permanently. So if you want to delete your Hotmail account permanently, then all you have to do is open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then on the search bar, search for Hotmail. And now click on the first search and then click on sign in. And after signing in, on the upper right corner, you will have your profile. Click on your profile. And then you can click on My Microsoft Account, and here choose your Microsoft account and choose Continue, and then you will have this kind of page. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here click on your info and then scroll down and choose on Close Account, and here it will refer you something about how to close your Microsoft account. So you have to click on Continue, and then here scroll down and select Continue with closing your account, and then again scroll down, and here you will find Close your account. Click on that. Now you have to verify your identity, so click on your email, and then you have to enter a code that has sent to your email account. After entering your code, click on verify. So if you really want to close your account, then you can click on next, and now select all of these, and after selecting, you can select a reason, and then you can click on mark account for closure. Your account will be closed or deleted. So that's it guys, that's how you delete your Hotmail account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.